Straight out the book. Straight out the book. The instrumentals, baby. That's hard learning. That's the human brain evolving for the centuries to come. Earth and space science. You know, they say the human brain can hold more information than all of the computers on the earth, you know? I don't know. Earth and science, baby. Yeah. You know, people worry about what's going on out of space. And they worry about what's going on the land. But sometimes you need to know what's going on under the earth's crust, you know? Because that affects all of us. Every day an earth or space science story makes the news. There may be a story about the disaster, the devastating earthquake. Perhaps there is a story about lives saved by the evacuation of a Castro town that lies in the path of a predicted hurricane. Or you may read a story about a probe to Mars or new information about the size of the universe. Even if no natural disaster has occurred and no space story makes the news, there is always one on Earth science story, the weather report. Understanding Earth and space science is very important for success on the GED science test. Topic from these areas are the basis for about 20% of the questions on the test. The structure of Earth, identifying implications. When you take what is written and then figure out other things that are probably true, you are identifying implication. Implications are not directly expressed in words by the author, rather they are suggested by what is written. For example, suppose you read a surge in demand for heating oil has driven up the price of this fuel. One implication of this statement is that heating bills are going to rise. Implications are facts or ideas you can be reasonably sure are true because they follow from what is written. You can increase your ability to identify implications by thinking about consequences. A consequence is an effect or result if certain conditions exist. What effects does this have? For example, the fact that a tornado passed through a town implies the consequence that property was damaged. Analyzing cause and effect. When you feel hungry, you probably eat. Where hunger is a cause, eating is an effect. A cause is something that makes something else happen. An effect is what happens as a result of a cause. Cause always occur before effects. Situations in which one thing causes another are called cause and effect relationships. Scientists often look for cause and effect relationships. They try to discover general laws that can help them predict what will result from specific causes. For example, they try to discover what causes volcanoes to erupt. They also try to discover effects what happened as a result of a volcano eruption. From 1943 to 1952, scientists observed the formation of the volcano Poricutiá. In February 1943, there was much underground activity near the village of Paracutá, Mexico. It caused many small earth tremors that worried the villagers. On February 20th, Dionisio and Paola Pulido noticed smoke rising from a small hole in their cornfield near the village. The hole had been there as long as the farmers